Amalgamation A1. This is an amalgamation you can go slow tempo or double up some parts as a faster tempo. So I don't want to count it for you, because if you find one of the steps difficult, then keep it at a 1, 2, 3, 4, for example. Or if you find it's really easy, you could do 2 of something. So in part this we have ball, ball, heel, heel, which is a 4-beat cramp roll. If you're really good at that, you could do 2 fast ones in the time, or you could do much slower if you're an absolute beginner. So I'm going to leave the counting up to you. We're going to begin with hot brush spring, and then that 4-beat cramp roll, either 1 time slow or 2 times fast, so it will be in the same timing, and 3 and a 4. Then balance on the heels. Now again, you could do heel, heel, down, down, slow, or I'm doing it quick, followed by a lunge and a heel beat. So that would be 5 and 6, 7, 8 for me. Then 2 quick tap, spring, shuffle, hops. And then step, cross and an air clip. If you don't like doing the air heel clips, then you could just make your own counts to finish 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe the shadow step as bull heels, for example. And 5 and 6 and 7. And then you could begin on the left foot, or as I've shown you before, you can make things continue with the same foot. So I'll go through it with my countings. Hot brush spring, 1, 2, and 3 and a 4, and 5 and 6, 7, 8. 2 tap, spring, shuffle, hops, and 1 and a 2, and 3 and a 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I've got my left foot free to repeat it all the opposite way. Let's try with some music. For amalgamation A2, step toe, 1, 2. Step ball change. Now remember, you could do that sideways or forwards or changing directions. So we take that from the beginning. Side toe, step ball change. So that's and 3 and 4. 3 one-footed stumps, 5, 6, 7, stamp, scuff. Let's try that one more time. Side toe, step, ball change, stump, 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 stamp, scuff. And remember, look back at my how to do every step videos if you don't know how to do any of these. Let's try with some music.